मु तुम विषय बहुत शुणी I have heard so much about you. I have heard so much about you. मते कुह यह पछरे किए अछि You tell me who's behind this. You tell me who's behind this. मोर तुम पर अधिक भरोसा करिवार थिला I should have trusted you more. I should have trusted you more. अतीतरे मु तुम सहित किछि खराब काम करथिली कि Did I do something wrong to you in past? Did I do something wrong to you in past? देखो एबे भी समय अछि Look, there is still time. Look, there is still time. देखो एबे भी समय अछि बदल जाओ Look, there is still time. Change yourself. Look, there is still time. Change yourself. मु तुमको डराई देले कि Did I scare you? Did I scare you? किछि जिंस को भूली जिबा ही भला हेबो Some things are better left forgotten. Some things are better left forgotten. तुमे मोर उपहास करूचो You are making fun of me? You are making fun of me? आमे एठी ओलाउ We get off here. We get off here. यह कहिबा टिके कष्टकर हेबो It's a little hard to tell. It's a little hard to tell. मोठू पीछा छड़ेबा को चेष्टा कर नहीं Stop trying to get rid of me. Stop trying to get rid of me. मु तांकोटू मोर पीछा छड़ेबा को चाहे I want to get rid of him. I want to get rid of him. मु तुमको एटी देखिबार आशा कर नथली I didn't expect to see you here. I didn't expect to see you here. आमे विपद रे अछु तूफान माड़ी आसुची We are in danger. There is a storm coming. We are in danger. There is a storm coming. भलो हेबो तुमे आसी देखिनियो You better come see this. You better come see this. जदि हमें कहबा भलो हेबो तुमे निजे आसी देखिनियो You better come see for yourself. You better come see for yourself. निजे देखिनियो See for yourself. See for yourself. मु तुमको कहितली आम पाखरे एसो पई समय नाही I told you we don't have time for this. I told you we don't have time for this. जहा बीती गला ताहा बीती गला एबे हमें आगो को बढ़िबा The past is the past. Let's move on now. The past is the past. Let's move on now. मोते किछि जणा नाही एहा माने कोन I have no idea what that means. I have no idea what that means. मोते तुमको सुनिबारे असुविधा हेउछि I'm having trouble hearing you. I'm having trouble hearing you. जहा मु करि परली से सबु कली I did all I could. I did all I could. तांको दूर को जीवा को दियो नहीं. Don't let them get away. Don't let them get away. तुमे जानी सुनी मो आज्ञार उल्लंघन कल बा तुमे जानी सुनी मो आज्ञार अवमानना कल बा मो आज्ञा को मानिल नहीं. You deliberately disobeyed me. You deliberately disobeyed me. तुमको जाना नहीं मु केउ परिस्थिति देई गति करिछि. You have no idea what I have been through. You have no idea what I have been through. मते गोटे भल कारण दियो जे काहेकि मु से काम करिबिनी. Give me one good reason. Why shouldn't I do that? Give me one good reason. Why shouldn't I do that? एही जगह को खोजिबा को मते 2 दिन लागि गला. It took me 2 days to find this place. It took me 2 days to find this place. एही काम संपूर्ण करबा को हमकु 2 मास लागि जिवो. It will take us 2 months to complete this work. It will take us 2 months to complete this work. मु तुमको सही दिन मारी पारि थांदी. I could have killed you that day. I could have killed you that day. तुमे आम सहित अछो ना आम विरुद्ध रे अछो. You are either with us or against us. You are either with us or against us. मु तुम सहित नाही कि तुम विरुद्ध रे भी नाही. I am not with you, neither am I against you. I am not with you, neither am I against you. हमको धोखा दिया जाइछि. We have been betrayed. We have been betrayed. हमको ठकी दिया जाइछि. We have been cheated. We have been cheated. So that's it guys. I hope एथर आपन किछ सिखिबा को मिलिथिबो. And thank you for watching. Please like this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you and take care. Bye.